Hey guys, how's it going? Today is Sunday. I had really good profits in the past week. As a full-time trader, I had good short sales, good day trades, good swing trades. And actually, a month ago, I've decided to start another account with TD Ameritrade. And what I did was I basically funded it with a little bit of money, and I decided to like not actively trade it. Basically, went online, did a research on all the stocks that have a huge potential to go from under $10, under $20 into the 40, $50, or basically triple digit potential. And my profits were pretty impressive, as you can see over here. So I funded my account. It was $45,000, and I got into 9 positions, which each position was $5,000. My original plan was to fund the account with $100,000, but we just had a baby, so um, it cost a lot of money here in the States. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but you can look at it in a way that, like, if you had $4,500 in the account, you would make about 2,900, 2,900, 400. Basically taking $500 positions. And the idea, the cool part, the cool thing about it is, like, I'm not putting all my money into one stock, so it's less of a risk, more more potential, especially if you do the right research. And the cool part is I didn't even look at a chart to get to those profits. It's all the stocks that I called on my Stocktwits. And basically, what I did is I looked up online on stocks that have like big hype, um, and I made the research and made sure that those stocks actually, like, they have real companies behind them, and they have like good future potential. And by the way, I also noticed that you guys like really like those videos, stocks that I buy. I give those free alerts on my Stocktwits, but the past 2 videos that I made about like my swing purchases were pretty popular, and actually, like, I had me and my subscribers had like really good profits with FUV in particular, with the electric cars. But anyways, what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for more stocks like that. So I have a bunch of accounts, and one of the accounts, like this account that we're looking at right now, this is basically an account that I do not touch. I don't do anything. I just find like stock. I do one research once a month, bought all these stocks. I waited exactly a month. I did not open the account at all. I did not care what's going on in here. And then, like, a month later, exactly a month later, I opened it, and there was the profits. And the idea is basically I do a lot of active trading. I also have like a more active swing trading account, but there are some funds that I just don't want to actively trade. So that's why I have, like, one of my accounts is basically like long-term Amazon. I have Amazon and other large cap companies. The good part about it is, like, the brokerage it gives you a lot of margin. And I actually made a video about it already, like, why don't we invest in real estate, why invest in the stock market. But this one is more like, this one would cater more, the strategy would cater more for people that, like, lawyers, or people that make a lot of money, or people that just have savings and they don't want to actively trade. All you have to do is just go online, look for penny stocks to buy right now. Make sure that those penny stocks have like a real company behind them, and with one good product and one good release, they can go from pennies to $10, $20 or more. And that's exactly what I did, and that's exactly how I made this profit. So the first company that I recommend to buy in the research that I did was INFI, Infinity Pharmaceuticals, which is a company that, like, from my research, I really really liked what they're doing. So like, they make, from reading this, right, Infinity Pharmaceuticals develop biologically active and selective drug candidates directed against biologically well validated targets. um Basically, like, bottom line, and also says in here, like, several members of the street think that this, like, now this is the right time to pull the trigger, which in, like, other words means that it's bottoming right now. Now, if you go into their website, you can see that they're actually, like, developing drugs in manufacturing, and they can be a big part in the COVID-19 as well. So it's a great stock to buy, especially, like, during the time that we live right now. Another one is Pierce Pharmaceuticals. This company is basically like they focus more on asthma, but as we can see in here, it's expected to begin like next quarter with the study of asthma. So if they release something that's related to asthma, you know, it can go from a lower price to a higher price. It can go 100%, 200, 300% and up. So it's a great purchase, great time to buy right now, and it's bottoming. Like it has all the catalyst, everything that we look for in a buy. It has hype, it's a micro cap, it has good products and good potential to the future. So if we put ourselves in a situation that we have like 20 or 30 stocks in our portfolio, and we have a portfolio that will work mostly with micro caps, and the idea of the portfolio is get as much as percentage as we can, a stock like that would be a great addition to it. It has the hype. You can find it in a quick Google search on pennystocks.com, and it's a real company. It's not something that they're trying to sell you. It's something that can actually go somewhere. But you, like, people that watch this video, I really hope that like you guys do your own research as well, like from my picks, because you shouldn't like trade on my opinion. I only give you ideas. What I like to do is basically have like a large account with a lot of stocks in it, basically like a very diverse micro cap portfolio. And that's how you get good profits. I mean, I wouldn't recommend to put all your money into one of these companies or just those three, but I would add those to my portfolio. So this is exactly why I make this video. And I also see those having a lot of hype and going up 100, 200% in profits. But again, I wouldn't count my all my buying power with this. So that's something you should be cautious with when you watch this video and do your research, because it's a good thing. You got to do your research. You got to see which stocks has hype. But what I'm doing right now is I'm showing you what I found that has hype, and you can find in a lot of other blogs. And, you know, my subscribers will see it too. So there's going to be a lot of hype behind it. So at the moment that this one of those companies will release something that's good for Wall Street, it's gonna go up in price, and all the people that had the swing positions will bank from it. And this is another example of their charts. You can see it on pennystocks.com. It's a great website for like finding picks, as long as you do your research, and that's what I like to do. They pick a lot of stocks, but I pick the best ones in after my research, the ones I like. And now the last one on the list is Claire's Therapeutics. Basically, you can see in here that they're mostly focusing on arthritis, which is already good. We like healthcare innovations are always good in the stock market, especially when something good comes out. And they also they're participating in the effort to find effective therapeutics for COVID-19 by supporting an investigator-initiated clinical trial of ATI 450. Basically, what it means is that they're a part of the COVID-19 race, which is, you want to be as much as you can, as closer as you can to that race with all the companies that work for it. Because, I mean, if you look back at Kodak, a company that ran from $10 to $55 in a day, you think about all the people that had shares of Kodak before that and sold it in 55. It's insane. I mean, you can turn $10,000 into $50,000. So that's why I really like this this swing trading setup. The best part about it is the most you can lose is, not more than 100%, but you can make way more than 100%. And in some of my positions that I showed in the beginning of this video, I made more than 100%, which is crazy actually. But I got really lucky this month because all of my positions went up. I had only one position that was done. I had only one position that was done, and I closed all their positions already. So what I'm gonna do, right now I'm doing the same research. I'm buying these stocks slowly and I'm finding the best ones. So I'm gonna alert all these stocks on my Stocktwits on my YouTube. So follow me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next one, peace.